Hello everyone, once again, this is Sachin and today we're gonna see a little bit of customization on Dio going to look more attractive. Have a look.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Sparkle.
So what changes we have made? Well, some of sticker works. Moxie adjustable levers. HID projector lamp. The mudguard has been changed. Rims have been colored. Tail light and grip wrapped with matte black. And of course exhaust too. We swapped this with FZ muffler. And it sounds great. And we have changed the front suspension to have better stability. Well, that's all for now. So what do you think about it? Write below in the comment section to let me know. And if you liked the video, then hit like. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.